Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Paparazzi by Latanya Stewart. I am here to bring you March's Fashion Fix. Thank you again. Welcome to everyone that's new. Welcome back if you've been with me for a while. As you know, the Fashion Fix is 5 sets of 4 fantastic accessories. And without further ado, I am going to jump right in and get started and show you guys what's coming up for March. By the way, these are currently on my website, www.stuffthatblings.com. Grab them up now while you can, so you can say you were the first one to snatch these up. But this one is from the Fiercely Fifth Avenue collection. Look at that. This is on a gold chain. You have your hearts we love here at the Stuff That Blings boutique. So there you have your gold hearts, and then you have your, look at all the little rhinestones around the other hearts with that one little pearl pressed right there in the center. Super cute. Of course, they all come with a 2-inch extender. So love this. This is one of the shorter necklaces. All right, in this set, because you do get a set of 4 accessories, this one has the necklace, bracelet, earring, and ring. This one, oh, I'll turn it this way so that the blingy hearts are at the bottom. All right, so again, this is one of those where you have to have all 4 of the sets because they all match together. Oh, it's on stretchy, if you didn't notice. They all come together. And that's one of the fabulous things about having the Fashion Fix set is because they are made to all match and go together. But look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Because these rhinestones are placed so closely together, it really gives it a lot of sheen and shimmer. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And these are so lightweight. I love this month's Fiercely Fifth Avenue. Again, we normally it's either like a rhinestone or a timeless pearl. This one is everything combined together. So you guys are going to love that. That is the Fiercely Fifth Avenue set. My Glimpses of Malibu girls, my girly, love that pop of color. You are going to go gaga over this set. Look at this Glimpses of Malibu set. Is this not screaming like summer, spring? It's floral. It's fantastic. These are not rhinestones in the middle. These are actually like little studs. They're little studs. But is this not cute? These are the matching earrings. But of course, you know, we want to give you a little extra here with paparazzi. These are the upgraded earrings. How fun. Oh my goodness gracious. And we went back to our acrylics. We love our acrylics, right? It's been a minute since we had an acrylic set. All right, those are the earrings. This is the bracelet. Again, everything coordinates together. So you can't get one without the other. You have to make it a complete set. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. And this one is the open cuff. This one doesn't have a lot of give to it because it is acrylic, all right? So you have to have just the right wrist size. I've told you guys before, I have a skinny mini wrist. So this one, actually, let me see. Oh, this one's not that bad on my wrist. It still swings around a little bit, you know, but love it. And this is I call it blue, but it's like a powder blue, and you can see the marble that's in the side of that. I love and miss our acrylic pieces. I'm so glad they're back. All right, this next one is Magnificent Musings. You guys know how I feel about Magnificent Musings, right? Well, with this Musings piece, we actually get 2 necklaces instead of one. But look at this one. This one's on a more like a rope or snake-like chain, which I absolutely love. Look at that centerpiece. How beautiful is that? I don't know if it's like, I don't know, it's giving me not even like iridescent, but like intergalactic type look and feel, cosmic-esque, if you will. But is that not gorgeous? Look at that. and it's dotted with the rhinestones around the top and the bottom. Super cute. Love it with the high sheen. Oh my God. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the second chain that goes with that. This one's actually a choker. All right. And what I like about this one is that it's like one side of the chain has little itty bitty rhinestones and the other is more textured. So it doesn't matter which side it happens to flip around to, you're still going to get a lot of shimmering activity and action with this. All right. And this is both of them together. So it's super cool because you got two necklaces in one, right? So you can wear the one without the other, or you can wear them both together and give it a super cute layered look. This is the the bracelet that goes with it, and you can see you get even a better view as to the little rhinestones if my camera were to come in focus. But you can see all the little itty bitty rhinestones that go around in the bracelet. The earrings. Oh my God, guys, look at the earrings. Holy red carpet bling. If I put it up close to the camera, I know it's going to fuzz out, so I'll hold it back here. But you can clearly see even back here. Look, this is how thick they are. All right, it's on the standard post pack. Look at all the blingy bling bling. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. Love it. Now this next set, this is from our sunset sightings. This one is so fun. Oh my gosh. And it is just perfect for the summer. See if I can flip these charms around for you guys. How fun is this set? Okay, you have your bumblebee earrings, right? And then I know I'm going to have to flip these back around. But look at the charms for you girls who love the charms and the fruit. Fruit is going to be in this season. The whole beachy things for seashells. You're going to see a lot of that. You're going to see a lot of ribbons and bows. So be on the lookout for that. But look at this. My fruit lovers. You have your strawberries, your pineapples. There's a cherry mixed around here, lemons, oranges. Such a fun and summery necklace. This is your little wishbone in there. Four-leaf clover. This is gold, by the way. I know with the light hitting it, it looks a little off, but this is on a gold setting. But here's your four-leaf clover. Again, I'm telling you, fun, fun, fun set. This is the Sunset Sightings. And here we go. In case you couldn't see all the charms on the necklace, they're right here on the bracelet. All right, can you guys see that? Yeah, there we go. I'm spreading them out for you. So fun. And these are the earrings. Little baby hoops. All right. And the last one, this is our Simply Santa Fe. You know, we love our stones and our Simply Santa Fe. So keeping up with this summer's trend as far as beachwear, we extended that into our Simply Santa Fe style. Look at this, the multi-strand necklace. I'm in love with this set. Look at the stones on there. You have your turquoise, you have your tiger's eye, you have your white stone, you have your three tiers with the seashell right there at the bottom. And there's your beaded necklace or chain. The bracelet that follows suit with this. Look at this. It's on a pull string. I'm not going to take it off the tag, but it's on a pull string so you can pull it to tighten it and then pull it back out to loosen it up. But here you have your double strand bracelet. Again, exact same elements as the necklace, but here in the bracelet, including your little seashell. How simply cute, right? Here's the ring. It's on a skinny stretch back. All right, but you have your pressed stone there on either side with the little seashell. How adorable, right? And these earrings, I love the earrings because they are a double post back. So there's a post. What I mean by a double post back is you can wear these um, one of two ways, okay? So this is like the added extra. So let's say you don't want that, then you can just wear it with the seashell attached to these beads, or if you want to add the extra backing, you can add the extra backing and make it a double back earring. All right, so guys, that's what I have for March's Fashion Fix. Again, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing the video with all of your team members, all of your friends. You can find all 5 of these sets, one of each, currently available on my website, www.stuffthatblings.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy your March. I love you guys. Bye.